Okay, Harrahs, Las Vegas, Bally's Tower, 33026, room 33026. Okay, wow, this is, looks like it's a 1-bedroom suite. You walk in, you got a pretty big foyer area. Nice big mirror. It opens up into this very spacious living room area. Holy moly. And then you've got a little bar area. Let's take a look over here. Very roomy. Right off the elevator also, so you don't have to walk that far. Nice couch. Let's take a look at the view. Oh, strip view. Good view too. Great view of the volcano before it disappears. And got some mountains over there also. And then we've got, looks like we've got the bedroom. This is 2 queens. Don't mind the noise here. We got 2 queens. Again, very spacious. Let's take a look back around here. Lots of room. Let's take a look at the view. A little bit even closer angle of the view there of that Harrahs volcano. Almost even see it just from the bed. Nice little sitting area. You've got, this is your closet. Nice TV. Safe. We've got to the bathroom. Nice. Got a shower and tub, dual vanities. Water closet over here, it looks like. Very spacious room, I must say. Shower. We've got the body wash, lotion, all that stuff. These new shower heads over here too. One of the things about these showers in this room is there's no door here, so it's just open. You can't, it gets a little wet on the floor. But that's it. Yeah, man, really good. Nice room, lots of space. Las Vegas, Harrahs, Las Vegas. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these room tours, Las Vegas room tours.